Adventurous kids, explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West Adventurous Kids, learning and fun. Adventurous Kids!
I enjoyed the Bob laugh too. That was kind of fun.
Okay.
Him doing the dog bark was.
Okay, I think we're done with the voice acting episode.
Yeah, that was funny though.
Okay,
I kind
okay.
of like
Is
what?
this a social conversation or an episode?
Today we are going to.
Tell you about exoplanets. Have you ever wondered if there are other planets out there, far, far away from Earth? Well, hard to believe, but there are.
Today you'll find out.
These planets are called
Uh,
exoplanets, or extrasolar planets. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star, just like Earth orbits the sun, but it's not part of our solar system. Instead, exoplanets are located in other solar systems, which are light years away from us. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year.
Scientists first discovered the exoplanets in the 1990s, and since then they've found thousands of them. Some exoplanets are very similar to Earth. Wow. While others are very different. Some are giants and made of gas like Jupiter, while others might be small and rocky. There are even exoplanets that are too hot or too cold for humans to live on. But who knows? Maybe one day humans will visit these distant worlds.
So, how do scientists find these faraway planets? It's not easy. They can't just use telescopes to see the planets directly because they are so small and far away. Instead, scientists look for clues, like what you see on TV. Detectives do it too. So do private investigators. But this is different. One way they do this is by watching how the light from a star changes. When a planet passes in front of its star, the star's light gets a little bit dimmer. By studying these tiny changes in light, scientists can figure out the size, shape, and even the temperature of the planet. This is called photometry.
The radial velocity method, also known as the wobble method or Doppler method, is a way scientists find exoplanets by looking at how a star moves. When a planet orbits a star, its gravity pulls the star slightly, causing the stars to wobble. This wobble makes the star move towards us and away from us, which changes the light we see from it. By studying these tiny changes in the star's light, scientists can figure out if a planet is pulling on the star, how big the planet might be, and how far it is from the star. This method has helped discover many exoplanets.
Astronomers have directly imaged some exoplanets, meaning they've taken pictures of planets orbiting other stars. Though it's a challenging task because planets are faint and far away.
Some exoplanets are in a special zone called the habitable zone. This is the area around the star where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist. Scientists think that where there's water, there might also be life. While we haven't found life on any exoplanets yet, scientists are excited to keep searching.
One famous exoplanet is Kepler 22b, which was the first Earth sized planet found in the inhabitable zone where liquid water could exist. Another interesting one is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the closest star to our sun and might have conditions to support life. HD 209458b, nicknamed Osiris, was the first exoplanet where scientists discovered an atmosphere. It's known for its extreme heat and is made mostly of gas, like Jupiter. These exoplanets help scientists learn more about space and the possibilities for life beyond Earth.
Kepler 186f is an exoplanet located about 500 light years away in the constellation Cygnus. A constellation is a recognized pattern of stars in the night sky, often imagined to form the shape of an object, animal, or person, and traditionally named after its apparent form or identified with a mythological figure. It was discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope in 2014 and is notable for being one of the first Earth-sized planets found in the habitable zone of its star. The habitable zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around the star where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist, which is essential for life as we know it.
Exoplanets are like hidden treasures in the universe. Keep that in mind. Every discovery helps us learn more about our place in the cosmos and whether we are alone in this vast, amazing universe. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be a scientist, exploring new worlds and discovering the mysteries of exoplanets.
Thanks for watching.
This Adventurous Kids episode.
Yeehaw!
Blessed be. Go on, make your own discoveries about space. You never know. What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous